Welcome back to another installment of Ryan's Handyman Corner. Today you're going to learn how to take a tire off an old pickup truck and break the bead in your driveway. Because if you ain't got the money for STS tire, you got to do it yourself. As you can see over here, she's flat as a pancake. Now that's because this here valve stem, which has got some duct tape on her. Oh, you can hear that, right? That valve stem, it's broken. Now that's a problem, because that's gonna leak out all the air. So we gotta take this off and de-bead it. Now this here is where things get tricky, because we gotta break the bead here in this tire, but I don't got no tire machine in the driveway. So we're gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. So once you got the tire off, you want to wheel it to another Toyota Tacoma. Now you want to sit down about, 2 feet in front of the Toyota, and you want to grab this here bar. Now I don't know where the heck I found a bar like this, but it works perfectly. It's got the tapered edge on that side, and it's got this funky shaped handle that you want to take the tapered end, and you want to shove it right under there. And you want to take this end here, and you want to find your valve stem. Now, put it right on the valve stem, because that's the part we want to break the bead for. Give yourself an inch or two just in case it slips. You're going to push on her real hard. It's going to take all the air out. So now that you got it lined up, you got the Tacoma right there, you got a tire over here, you're going to just step on the gas pedal and break that bead. Now, quick pro tip from Ryan's Handyman Corner. This is solely for steel rims. Don't use your rotiforms, don't use your BBS. Now, this is steel only. There we go. And there you have it. A broken Toyota pickup bead. You can take the broken valve stem right out there, and you can go put your new one in and pump her back up. Well, that's it for another edition of Ryan's Handyman Corner. Remember, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy.